Hey guys, welcome to V2 Diaries. In today's video, we are going to see the last minute Valentine's Day cake recipe, which is microwave eggless red velvet cake. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video and get to know how to make this delicious cake. In a bowl, add about 1/4 cup of curd. To this, add about 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk. Add a teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that well and set aside until the mixture curdles. In a bowl, add about 1/4 cup of oil, 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now whisk this well until the ingredients are well combined and a lot of air is incorporated into the batter. This is an important step since this is an eggless cake. Now place a sieve, add about 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. To this, 1/4 cup of milk powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now run this under a sieve to aerate all the dry ingredients. Now in a tablespoon of milk, add the red gel food color and mix this well. This will ensure the color is rich and is incorporated well throughout the batter. Add the prepared curd and milk mixture. Now using a whisk with a very light hand, combine the wet and dry ingredients. Ensure that it's only whisked until you do not see any lumps. Do not overmix at this stage and then switch to a spatula. Now transfer the batter into a glass bowl lined with parchment paper. I'm using a rectangular glass bowl. You can use a round shape. Ensure you're using a microwave safe bowl. Now tap to remove any excess air bubbles. There is no need to preheat your microwave or turn into a convection mode. You can directly bake this in a heating mode. Place the bowl, ensure the timing is set to 5 minutes and then click on start. The timing may vary depending on your microwave. Check at 4 minutes once. Ensure to use a microwave safe bowl and do not use aluminium at this stage. In a bowl, add about 100 ml of chilled whipping cream. Whisk this well in high speed for about a minute. To this, add about 3 teaspoons of melted white chocolate. I have just added red food color to the melted white chocolate. Continue to whip this in medium speed until you see stiff peaks. Once the cake is cooled completely, demold the cake. Note, the cake will turn slightly dry when it is cooled. Because we are using the heating mode, ensure to reheat it while you're consuming. Now I'm trimming the sides to even out the edges. Now add the prepared whipped cream frosting. Ensure to spread it out in an even layer. If you do not want to make this whipped cream frosting, you can just add chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache on top of this cake and that will taste delicious too. Now spread this across evenly. Add some sprinkles for decoration. I'm just placing 2 marshmallows for decoration. That's it, our delicious eggless red velvet cake using microwave is ready. If you happen to recreate this recipe, then send in your pictures on Instagram. I would love to see them. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.